Okay, players. Let's go with another London trap kung saan mukhang normal lang ulit ang tinitira ng team pero in a series of a normal move, bigla na siyang losing. Huwag na nating patagalin. White start with d4, black go with knight f6, bishop f4, New London, d5, e3, e6, knight d2, protecting the e4, knight bd7, developing the knight ng kalaban, bishop d3, b6, nag-decide yung itim na i-develop ang kanyang bishop sa b7. In this game, merong another move na kakaiba but is still a reasonable move. White move, queen f3. Okay, pinoprotektahan nila ang e4, bishop b7, queen h3. Why? Because white is threatening h7 in case na dyan siya mag-castling. Black develop normally, bishop e7, knight f3, castling. Okay? That is the initial target of white to target the h7. Knight e5. Ngayon, hindi ito pwedeng kainin ng itim because after knight takes e5, etong knight na to, the moment na umalis siya, magiging weak na ang h7 pawn. Kaya ang ginawa niya ng puti, ay ng itim is c5. White plays c3. Tandaan nyo ang idea ng London is hanggat maaari, mabuo ang pyramid formation na yan kasi yan ang nagiging anchor ng development and attack ng London. Black play, rook c8. Normal development. Knight gf3. Normal develop lang din. And in this case, ang tumira itim ng rook e8 which is a blunder. Coach, paano naging blunder yan? Mukha namang normal moves. Because sa tira na yan, merong sudden unexpected move na knight x f7. Kulong ang queen. In this case, forsado kumain ang puti. Kasi kapag di niya ang itim, pag hindi niya pinansin yan, trap ang queen. King x f7. Another brilliant po bang pinakawalan ng puti. Queen x e6. Coach, ano mangyayari? Libre lang yan, coach Okay, ano mangyayari kung kainin? Kapag kinain, merong knight h g5 check, checkmate. Hindi makapunta ang king sa d6 because yan ay well dependent ng London bishop. Okay, balik natin. After queen x e6, white play king f8 and then knight g5. Knight e5. Siyempre, dinidepensa niyo yun. Threatening dun Kaya itong puti, ang itim, tumira ng knight e5 supporting but in any case, capture lang yan and wala nang any good defense against queen f7 checkmate.